Let's imagine that you take advantage of the Black Friday special deal. So picture your life now, whether it's your daily commute and working for the boss, your financial pressures, whatever it is. So there must be a better way, right? What if I could tell you that you could invest just $1.08 per day into your own online business and that you can earn consistent monthly passive income? You take small but consistent actions every day during a year to build your own online business. Then jump forward 2 to 3 years' time. Imagine that you could tell your boss to his or her face that I quit and provide a much better lifestyle to your family and travel if you want to. Hey everyone, it's John here from Earn From Your Laptop. And I just wanted to do a quick video I want to share with my subscribers and anyone else here on YouTube that's finding this video. There is a Black Friday major blowout sale that's going on in this online training and mentoring community that I'm a part of, that I've had a lot of success with, and I've helped a lot of people build their own successful online businesses with. The platform is called Wealthy Affiliate. I'll put a link in the description below and of my recent online review if you're not familiar with it, so you can see exactly why it's so great and why I recommend it over all others. The type of success you can realistically achieve with this. Also why it's so affordable and your best one-stop shop for anyone looking to build your own online business. Such an excellent training platform. I recommend it over all others, and the best part of it is, the reason I rate it so highly is that where other platforms seem to be interested in emptying your wallets, charging hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars for their training and their upsells, Wealthy Affiliate is different. Why would you pay so much money when you can get it all at Wealthy Affiliate so affordably, where you can actually create your own free starter account first to see if it suits your style? Hey, and if you don't know where to start, there are loads of people in the Wealthy Affiliate community that started from scratch, perhaps just like you, and now they have a full-time income. Here are just a few that inspired me to build my own online business and get right out of the rat race. Firstly, let me show you Steve. He was traveling around the world with his girlfriend and showing pictures here. How did he do this? How? By building a website that generates over $100,000 a year. And that was very inspiring for me. Secondly, here's Dylan. Like me, he's a parent. So Dylan is a successful stay-at-home dad. Dylan has made multiple websites in niches he is passionate about, and sometimes even sold them for $30,000 to $40,000. Your success all depends on the action you take in applying the training. When I was starting out with Wealthy Affiliate, I had to pay $49 per month for it. Wealthy Affiliate is having a Black Friday promotion from the 27th to the 30th of November 2020. You are able to access all the training, resources, tools and support from Wealthy Affiliate at just $395 per year. And you know what? When you divide that by way of 12 months, that works out less than $33 a month. And when you also divide that by 365 days, it's just $1.08 a day. Seriously, I challenge you to find another platform that offers so much value for around $1 a day. However, this amazing Black Friday offer is only available for these 4 days, from the 27th to the 30th of November. So depending on when you're watching this, either before, after, or during, I'll explain all these. Firstly, if you're looking at this before the 27th of November, please go to earnfromyourlaptop.com/joinWA to sign up for a free account at Wealthy Affiliate. By doing that, you'll not only be first to get notified when the offer is live, but you can also take Wealthy Affiliate for a free test drive to see its awesomeness for yourself. But when you're watching this after the sale has ended, don't worry, you can still create a free account at Wealthy Affiliate at earnfromyourlaptop.com/joinWA. The only difference is that you will not be able to join the promotion when you go premium. So by that time you need to pay $49 per month, just like what I did when I first started, or $495 per year. This is still great value, just a fraction of what other platforms can charge you, and typically you do not get the hosting, the keyword research tool, and other resources and tools. But Wealthy Affiliate provides all of those things. Finally, if you're watching this during the sale period, so between the 27th and the 30th of November, when the offer is live, I sincerely recommend you to grab this opportunity before it ends. With costs of living rising, this could very well be the last year you ever get the $395 rate. But the great thing is, if you take up the Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday Cyber Monday deal, you'll be grandfathered in for as long as you want that yearly membership. It'll always be at the very low price. Also, there are some awesome bonuses. Also, you'll get never seen before bonuses, including a live class, Building a Pandemic-Proof Business in 2021. Ask Me Anything with co-founder Kyle. He will share his 16 years of industry experience and insights and what you need to do to be successful building your own online business from home. And now, let's face it, is the best time to be doing this. And I have many more exclusive bonuses from me to you, and you can see the details of those in the description below. Now, I end off this video with a question of mindset for you. You're at a fork in a road. So now you have two options. The first is to continue on your current path in life. You may be stuck in life, but you know there must be a better way. So you could continue to be a freebie seeker, searching for the next shiny object or get-rich-quick system and trying to figure things out on your own. Or the second option for you is to take this Black Friday opportunity by investing just $1.08 per day for a year, so that you don't have to waste so much time and experience so many failures and struggles trying to figure it out all on your own. More importantly, if you join now, I will be your mentor on Wealthy Affiliate to guide you step by step in the business and assist you each time you need. I actually offer my referrals that go yearly membership even more bonuses on top of that. I add even more value to the Wealthy Affiliate platform. I give one-on-one coaching Skype mentoring calls where we can brainstorm on firstly how to choose your profitable niche and how to maximize your success. And also my exclusive bonuses, check out the details below. So the choice is yours. If this Black Friday offer sounds good to you, please go to earnfromyourlaptop.com/Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday. I additionally put a link in the description area below to be able to click on it and get yourself started. I hope to see you on the inside and help your success. And again, if you're watching this video a little bit late, let's say that you came to the party late and this is December and you're like, man, I missed out on it. Please go take a look at that review and create your free starter account to see if this suits your style, because you can still become a premium member and get the best value for your money with the normally priced $495 per year premium membership and still enjoy all the benefits, and it will save you so much more time as well as money, and this can be literally tens of thousands of dollars compared to similar platforms. That's all for today. No matter what's your decision, I wish you all the best and I hope to work with you soon. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Take care. See you soon.